I drove past some vehicles coming into work this morning, and the frost looked really thick on a few of them. So you're going to have to contend with that as you head out the door this morning. Just allow a little extra time. Let's check in on the airports across the area right now. Clear skies across all of the region. We are running mid-30s along the lakeshore, also at Niagara Falls. A little bit chillier at the Buffalo Airport, 31, and then well down to the 20s across much of the interior this morning. We even have some of the deeper valleys coming in with low 20s going on. There's a little bit of a wind chill. I mean, it's not super bad. The breeze is just starting to pick up a tad at this point, and that's going to be the case as we work through the day as the wind increases, especially getting into the afternoon. Here's a look at the north towns, and low 30s blanketing all of this area. 33 up there on the island, Clarence Center, 30, 32 in the village of Williamsville, 37 at the Lighthouse presently. Alden, good morning to you, and Lancaster and the eastern burbs at 33. South towns averaging about 32-ish down here. All the south towns, Hamburg, OP, up to East Aurora, even at Elmo, West Seneca, and Blaisdell. And then we eventually drop off to a few upper 20s here across the bottom of the county over toward Holland, Springville, and also at Colden. Easy commute shaping up this morning. Nothing going on aside from that frost on the windshield. You will need the sunglasses for eastbound travel. That sun is going to be quite bright, but we have dry roads, Metro North and South, QEW, Mainline East and West, and also on the I-86. It is not going to be that way for your trip home from work late today. Here's the sunshine this morning, clouds returning this afternoon. Here's the picture at 5 o'clock. Now, along about mid-afternoon, we might catch a brief rain shower, but the main bulk of the precipitation will be along the cold front, which is going to be cutting across the area very late this afternoon. And the precipitation, even though it may start briefly as rain, it goes over to snow very rapidly. And there's going to be blowing snow with this, too, because we're going to have those winds gusting 40, 45 miles per hour. The deeper blue shades indicate some heavier bursts of snow associated with this. Timing on this could not be worse for that evening commute, but it moves in and it moves out very rapidly, maybe just a few flurries left in the hills during the overnight, and for the most part, we're going to see some partial clearing returning to the area during the overnight. Tomorrow, pretty decent day, maybe a stray flurry early, otherwise a partly to mostly sunny day shaping up, but it's going to be kind of chilly out there tomorrow. Here's a look at the snowfall amounts. I think there's going to be a lot of melting here in the Buffalo Metro. However, if the snow comes down at a heavy rate for a period of time, it may very well stick temporarily at least to some roads, and then these darker blues showing up south and east of the city, you might pick up maybe a quick inch or two, as was the case like a day ago. And here's your wind gusts out there into the 40 to 45 mile per hour range in advance of that cold front this afternoon. So you can understand how some of the snow is going to be flying horizontally rather than just coming straight down. Then eventually the wind's going to die down by tomorrow morning. Here's a setup for Friday. Another deep storm still on track, at least as we head toward the weekend. This may actually be the first of 3 of these very powerful storms impacting the area. There may be another one toward next Wednesday, but there's a chance of a mixed shower early in the day, some dry time, then chance of a few showers in the afternoon. I think the steadier rain's going to hold off until very early on Saturday. And then eventually we get a little bit of a dry slot in here with the storm during the day. Eventually maybe some dry time. But then as colder air sweeps back in, snow showers as we get into Saturday evening. And we're still on track for potentially strong to high winds with the storm system. We may not be into the 70 mile per hour range as was indicated by some computer guidance yesterday, but I would figure at least on about 50 to maybe around 60 miles per hour. Here's your forecast today, 43 to 49. Sun giving way to clouds this afternoon. Rain develops by late this afternoon, quickly changes to snow and blowing snow, winds gusting to 45 miles per hour. Tonight, 18 to 25, windy, snow ending early this evening, partial clearing, just a chance of a flurry overnight, mainly on the hilltops. Tomorrow, 36 to 42, a chilly day, chance of a flurry in the morning, becoming partly to mostly sunny. It's going to be a pretty day, just kind of cool. And on Friday, we have that early mix, then a few afternoon rain showers, 54, early high of 58 on Saturday. We're down to the 30s already by evening. Just a really crazy forecast shaping up heading toward week's end. Chris?